If you create content, but you want to skip the editing, you want to skip the adding effects, you want to skip the publishing to all your channels, check out this insanity. This is ZippyClip. What it does is you drop a file into a folder and it will literally edit the video, add effects, and publish to all of your channels. Now, I just dropped 5 videos into this folder, and as you can see, it's got a processing queue. Now, this is it's working on this video, but it's going to be doing all the other videos. So while it's doing this, I can go create more content, and it's going to be editing. Now, let me show you the actual user interface. You can see what it's doing. It's going to be publishing to all of these channels. Now, you can see there's 5 YouTube channels, 3 TikTok channels, 3 Facebook channels, 2 Instagram channels, and 1 X channel. Now, I can add more channels. If I click on add, I can literally add more channels to post to. And I can also organize my channels based on different channel groups. So I can create a channel group, and that way I can create automations based on different businesses. So each one has a different prompt. For example, the prompt for this one is add 1 remotion effect in the first 5 seconds, and then I say add subtitles and make them yellow, trim the video, cut out the best parts, put only the viral parts, etc. You know what I'm talking about. This is just basic AI editing, but the only difference is that it actually does a list of videos. Now, if you look at the bottom of my screen, over there, the top over here in the middle, what you'll see is notification pop-ups showing that the videos have been posted. So you see your TikTok post was published, your YouTube post was published, and it's just publishing to all my channels. Now, it's not only doing this, it's actually adding perfect thumbnails for each video using OpenAI's best model. So they're going to look really good. And that's it. This is my content flow. I can now focus on creating videos, and that's it. Now, for those of you who are not confident with automation, you can actually use this without automation. You drop the video on your timeline, you type a prompt over here, and you just tell it what you want. Like, hello, how are you, for example. And then it will start editing the video according to the prompt that you write over here. It will respond to you and do what you want it to do to the video. Check this out. Hello, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I'm ready to help you edit your video. What would you like to change on the timeline today? You can add effects, overlays, overlay images. You can add effects. You can cut the video. You can tell it to trim the video and cut it to the best parts. And then after that, it's going to publish your video to all of your channels, which is basically insane. It's like this all-in-one content factory, but it's not really for creating content. It's more for taking your amazing content and just publishing it everywhere. But first, of course, it edits it with a pre-written prompt. Now, to get started, you just download it. It's completely free to use. Even the pro version is free for a while. And then you click on this automate button up here. And then you can create a new automation. You give it a name, choose a folder that you're going to drop in that file on your computer. Put a prompt for what you want the AI to do each time you drop a file in that folder. And then you choose the channels you want to publish to. So you can choose these. You can choose a different channel group. You can choose these. You can choose, you know what I mean? Depending, if you have a lot of different types of channels, this is the way to organize your business and your life. And that way you can start really going viral. Because the only way to go viral is to create consistent, high quality content. And this is going to make your production value a lot higher. And if you look at some of the effects, here we go. It's finished. It just finished. Look at the effects. Look what it's going to do. So this is now, it's working on the next one in line. Check this out, guys. Check out what it does. So it's applying the edits. Watch this. Look at this. Guys, this is what we've been waiting for. So it's choosing the skills it needs in order to create the effects necessary to and to do everything that I've asked in the prompt, because my prompt is a fixed prompt. I only have to write it once. Save this video so you can copy my prompt. It's the perfect prompt for automation, basically. Add 1 remotion effect, add about 5 to 10 hyperframe effects. Check this out. So it's adding a centered yellow subtitles, cueing several emotion and hyperframes effects. Check this out, guys. And look at this interface. Look how friendly it is. It's not like using Claude Code to edit. You can see everything that's happening. Whenever it creates an effect, it shows it to you and it puts it on the timeline. And you don't have to be watching this happen. This could be happening while you're recording more videos. And this is how you go viral, guys. This is the way to succeed in 2026, is to have these automations, editing, publishing, doing all your work. Now, I've got a secret tip for anyone who stayed till the end of this video. All I do, I link Google Drive, my Google Drive folder, with the folder of the automation. And then whenever I make a video on my phone, I just record myself like this, and then I send it to that folder, and that folder will basically do the automation. My PC has to be on, or my Mac has to be on, but if my computer's on, then I'm 100% sure that this automation will happen. And it even works if the app is closed. If you close the app, it will still create the automation. So check out these effects that it's adding to this video that I literally didn't do anything. It's just a file that I recorded, put it in a folder, and look at all these amazing effects being added to this video. And that's going to give this video a much higher production value, and people are going to feel like this is worth watching. And that's what's important, guys. This is how you're going to go viral in 2026, is by using tools like this, automation tools. This one's called ZippyClip, zippyclip.net. Get it now. See you in the next one.